exhaust right now. He has a 4-bolt, so I'm gonna have him be the torch man, and I'm gonna be the taker-offer, I guess. The taker-offer? Is that even a word? I don't know. All right, here we go. Try not to get any floaties when you light the torch. Let's see how good you can do that. Got everything out of the way. Yeah. Are we on good here? There you go. Didn't quite have that acetylene on. There you go. Should be gassing now. There you go. Nice light. No floaties. Nope. Yep. More acetylene. There you go. All right, share him up. All right, so checking out these exhaust bolts here. Let me see that. I think I just grab this light over here, trying to show you up in there. So we broke one out of 4, which I don't know. I was pretty hopeful we could get them all out. I'm not sure how bad it is. Let's see if we can take a look. Oh yeah, it broke clean off right in the. It broke clean off right here. If you can see it. Right in the manifold. So we're gonna, I think there's a hole, the hole goes right through though, so we could probably work with that. But the other ones we got out okay. So our exhaust is loose. Brunel's gonna get under here and start taking apart the motor mounts. And I think that's beyond that, the bell housing bolts, and other than that, we're ready to pull this motor out. So you can see our trans, we got a service, it's dripping all over. Kind of wet, typical of the 1970s vehicles, 60s. They just didn't really do very well with oil leakage. So anyway, so here we go. We're gonna get these motor mount bolts out and continue on.